Hi guys, hello. So it is officially the weekend.
I have you.
Alright guys, so I have been out of Wi-Fi for quite some time. So the video I uploaded last, which is my gem zone video, that was filmed about 4 or 5 weeks ago. Quite a long time. But I had no internet to upload it. I do have another vlog, exciting vlog. We went to IS and I have that to upload after I do this vlog. So, and that was also about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I've been out of internet, can't post anything, can't check up on my social things. I just use my service, and I can't go on YouTube with my service, so I have not been using YouTube. I'm sorry to all you guys. Just want to say I missed you guys and I'm back. I still have not received my internet, but I am back at work, so I do have internet when I'm at work. So when I do film my videos, I will have somewhere to upload, but I can't upload unless I'm at school. So good morning guys, and welcome to a new day. So if you guys hear any noise, there's a military funeral going on over there. I do have some clips from the week before and last week that I would like to share with you guys, so pause for that.
Cute. Yeah, I just took out 3, and I'm gonna take out myself.
In the house, my God. Do you know you have the power to cancel every plot of the enemy? Somebody says cancel, it's cancel, it's cancel. Cause every plan that the enemy has to destroy you, somebody help me say, it's cancelled. Every generational curse that he placed against your family is cancelled.
But only you put him back. Which one you put him back? Huh? I make one next set? Or do it, is it cool? Cool it down tongue. I'm a cool girl. She wake up just for eat my things.
I'm tired.
What do you have to say for yourself? What do you got to say for yourself?
I love food.
You heard it here first, guys. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel.
New brand clothes, you scratched it.
So it goes. So guys, I will be off to school now. So yes, it's the second day of school. Second day. So yeah, let's go.
Take that picture. I'm videoing it now.
yes guys, so that was the clips from the week before and last week. Yeah, so right now, I remember telling you guys yesterday that I was gonna wash. I did wash some things, however I did not get to finish, so I'm gonna finish wash now, and then I'm gonna clean my room, do some more house stuff, and then I have some other stuff to do. So yeah, let's go. Nash, look at your baby. She's getting big. Ooh, she doing her makeup herself. Oh my gosh. Mm-hmm. One little bit more on the eye. So can I get it closer to your eyelash? This one. All of that me gonna make you put on. Alright, no. Hi.
Done.
Hey guys, update time. So yesterday I think I left you guys when I was about to go wash or something. Yeah. Anyways, so I did wash and I cleaned, and yeah, so today I went to church, not my church, but a church in Calitz, and we had the 50th for my school, so I went there. And right now I am going to go to missionary service. I think so. But anyways, yes, let's go check. This is my OOTD. I did wear this to church today, so I just put it back on to wear to missionary. And I got my black flats on. And yeah, let's go to church. Hi guys, so it is like about 10 or after 10 right now, but I haven't eaten anything because I fell asleep when I got home, so I'm gonna get myself some soup. So I need to go hot some water, so just hold on a bit. Let me put you guys down. And I need a tripod. I really need a tripod. Alright guys, so I got my soup. I'm gonna set it down so it can make. I'm gonna leave that on. Hey guys, so it's now 11:50, so I'm gonna go to bed. I don't think I'll be able to sleep yet, but I'm gonna try because I have work tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I hope you enjoy, and yeah, bye.